Well, go on, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, alright? So first up, first topic. See, I saw a video on social media that shows when a person who was wearing a shirt that has the word security marked on it was at a certain location armed with a gun, and at some point that gun went off and the person had been injured by the gun. Now, that video had been posted certain places on social media claiming that the person shot and injured him oneself. And the same video had been posted certain places on social media claiming that the person accidentally shot and injured him oneself. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded, but it is said that the person was at a business establishment holding the firearm in a certain way that can be considered as reckless. It is said that the person was holding the gun, and it is said that the gun went off and one of the person's 2 feet had been damaged at an area where toes are at. Now, it is said that the person got medical attention, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information about the person's medical condition. Now, based on what I told you, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what to think about a situation like that. And I really and truly hope that the person is okay, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the person had been injured, but I don't know how bad the person had been injured. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that an investigation had been launched following the seizure of Contraband inside of the St. Catherine Parish Court jail that's located within the country of Jamaica. Now, it is said that police personnel found contraband consisting of marijuana, tobacco, rizla that were inside of slippers at the St. Catherine Parish Court jail. See? So it is said that all those things have been seized, viewers and subscribers. And you know, this is not the first time I hear about a situation that is somewhat similar like this to viewers and subscribers. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, about maybe a day or so ago, the Chief Justice within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the first name of Brian, warning that ganja smoking should not be allowed in the precinct of the Supreme Court building. That's in Kingston, you know. And now may I get information about this situation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say? So right about now, the whole situation them have me thinking, you know, and I real viewers and subscribers, I didn't have any idea that certain things like that even happen within those kind of areas. But anyways, you let me know what to think about that situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that one man is dead and another in police custody following a shootout with police who were responding to the alleged robbery of a National Commercial Bank ABM on Saturday in the parish of Westmoreland, that's within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the alleged robbery took place early Saturday morning. And according to more information that I got, it is said that the police intercepted them, which resulted in a shootout, and that one person had been shot and killed and one person had been taken into police custody. Allegedly, and it is also believed that the person who died is from a different parish from where the incident happened. Now, I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a lizard. The video also shows a person who climbed on a fence, and it seems as if the person wanted to touch or try to catch the lizard, viewers and subscribers. But you might be surprised to see what happened in that video. The video shows when the lizard ran away, viewers and subscribers, and to make it be very clear, it is against the law to hurt certain types of animals. This video might be somewhat scary to some of you, my viewers and subscribers, because you have some people who have some form of fear for lizards. You understand me? Yeah, just so it go. But anyways, let me know what you think about this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Iguana found in Jamaica today. Come here. You know? Nah, yeah, alright. Come here. Come here, Daddy. Come now. Come here now. Nah, dear, nah. Come now. Come up there.
You not fear them? Careful, you know, man. You jump by you. Yeah, that's your video, man. Go on top of it. Book clot.